Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Freebie Monday. Today we got 4 watch faces in all. All of them are going to be from Samwatch, and they all are nice. They're all going to be dressed down casual watch faces, and they all going to be different. Now, for me, they're free. I say, why not download it? All right, with that being said, we're going to try to make this quick and fast and painless. Starting off with watch face number 1, which is called Samwtch Digital Kappa. I like the look, I like the design, the simplicity of this watch face is over the top. Now, everything you get is going to be right up front. Now, you're going to get your nice big bold digital time, your date. You're going to also get the days of the week, and everything that's geared towards steps is going to be right here down at the bottom. It's going to give you everything that you need to keep up with your step information, and it's also going to give you a moon phase as well. Now, you can customize the color theme to several different color themes and all. Just keep tapping till you get to the one that suits you best, and you're all good. Let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2 is just as nice as number 1. This one is called Samwatch AD Z 2019. Now, I like this look. I like the bold background, and I do like the index of this watch face with the analog thing. Now, it looks nice. You're going to get your day of the week. You're going to get all your step status info right at the top. You're going to get analog hands / digital, which means you get the best of both worlds. You're going to get your step information over to the left and a nice realistic moon phase over to the right. Now, I thought this was a very nice look for a casual dress down watch face for every day. Now, you get your big bold digital time down at the bottom that you can customize the color theme to. So can you do with the step status info. Just double tap in the center, and there you go. What do you think, people? I thought it wasn't a bad look at all, especially considering that the watch face is free for the taking. All right, let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is nice. It's called Samwtch AD Final. Now, I like the look and theme of this one. I like the black background, again, which brings all the information forward. Now, I like the blending of analog and digital. I really love that analog clock that's over to the left. I like the detailing of it, and you get your digital time that's going to be to the right. Now, right up under your digital time, you're going to get your steps in big bold numbers, which is good for a guy like me who can't see. Down at the bottom, it's going to tell you what kind of moonlight you're having. Also, you're going to get a nice moon phase, a realistic moon phase down at the bottom. Up at the top, of course, your month, your day. Everything is laid out perfectly to me, in my opinion, right? Now, you are going to get shortcuts like your music. You're going to be able to get your alarm, your weather, and your schedule. So all you got to do is single tap, and you can go into any one of those at will. Again, this is the best look yet out of all 3 watch faces. All right, you all, last but not least, this one is also nice. The digital time on this one is very bold. The name of it is called Samwatch Simple G. It's a simple digital watch face. It's going to give you your day, your time, and also your step information. Now, I like the black background again. That's going to help out. It just brings all the information up front, makes it look nice and sharp. Now, again, out of all watch faces that have been reviewed today, number 3 is my favorite. Question to you is, which one do you like the most? Now, if anybody is looking for free watch faces, send them to Huck's World, because this is where you can find them at. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your day and or night. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button on the way out, and I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.